How can I fix the volume on my dish remote?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to tackle a common issue you might encounter while using your dish remote: how to fix the volume. We'll go through the process step by step so you can enjoy your TV experience without any issues.
Is your dish remote programmed correctly?
The first thing to check is whether your dish remote is correctly programmed to control your TV. 1. Press the Home button twice on your remote. 2. Navigate to Settings using the arrow buttons, then select Remote Control. 3. Choose TV, then TV Pairing Wizard. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your remote with your TV. If your remote is already paired with your TV but the volume is still not working, proceed to the next section.
Resetting your dish remote.
In some cases, resetting your dish remote can solve volume issues. Here's how. 1. Press and hold the SAT button on your remote until all 4 mode buttons light up. 2. Release the SAT button and then press any button on the remote. The SAT button will blink 3 times and then turn off. 3. If the SAT button blinks red instead of turning off, repeat the steps above. 4. If the problem persists, try replacing the batteries.
Is your TV's audio setting correct?
Another possible culprit could be the audio settings on your TV. 1. Go to your TV's settings menu. 2. Look for Audio or Sound settings. 3. Check if the TV speakers are on and ensure the volume level is not set to 0. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the volume on your dish remote. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult your user manual or contact Dish customer service if these steps don't resolve your issue. We hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your viewing.